Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a small migrant bird. The little stint. The little stint is a very small wader. All ages show dark legs and a straight, fine-tipped bill. It breeds in Arctic Europe and Asia and is a long-distance migrant, wintering south to Africa and South Asia. Juveniles are typically quite bright and neatly patterned above, often with bold white stripes or races down the back, and have very black-scented wing coverts and tertials. Found in fresh and brackish wetland habitats, occurs locally in flocks, elsewhere single travel with flocks of other waders. Their calls are like locally named Punchi Hinna. I have not seen the little stint. One of the places you can see the little stint is Trincomalee. The beaches in Trincomalee are some of the best that you can ever find in Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the green sandpiper.